Keep your tip up. Keep your tip. Don't bob like that. Keep it up. Okay, reel it in. If it loosens up a bit, you reel it. Okay, don't. Okay, reel it in. Reel it in a bit. Okay, just leave it like that. Let him.
Oh my God! Look at that.
Oh, that's the biggest bass you've ever caught.
Yes. Oh no.
Okay, come over here. Okay, oh, no, don't pull too tight. Come over here. Just leave. Okay. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Keep the tip up. Keep the tip up. Come over. Okay, that's good. Just play him like that. Let him. Okay, bring him closer.
Oh my gosh. Peters.
Oh, he's big.
Okay, let him go like that. Let him go like don't.
Okay.
This is just like river monsters.
No, it's not.
Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Don't pull. Don't pull.
Keep my tip up. Got my tip up.
Wow, that's
Huge.
dinner.
No, it's not. I caught him. I choose if we keep him or not. Oh my gosh! Take a picture. Take a picture.
Wait.
I'm filming right now, actually.
Oh, good.
Oh, you just had him.
Nice. He's huge. He's gonna wobble and fall off.
Oh. Take a picture. You wanna
Oh
give him-
gosh.
Okay, let me